Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are going to be opening up another Sephora place. So let's get in and let's get into the package. Alright guys, welcome back. So like I said, we're opening up another Sephora play. I always say this, but this is one of my favorite subscription boxes. One, because of the price. If you don't know, this is a $10 subscription. So rather than you have to go and schlep in the store, you get to check this one out over your home, in the comfort of your home, and it gets delivered every month. You can always cancel at any time. And what they do is they give you different packages of products. The difference between this subscription and other subscriptions that this one is curated to your skin type. When you sign up, and I'll put all the information for Sephora Play in the description box below or on my blog wherever you're watching. But if you sign up, they do have you sign up and fill out a beauty quiz. So they are curated to yourself and your skin types, things that you're having issues with, hair, skin, wrinkles, whatever your concerns with, they do go through that. All right, so every month we have a package here and it looks like this, and very convenient. And then it says here, show off and share using Sephora Play hashtag if you do that. And then every box has a different theme. So this month's box has to do with beauty in the wild. So you guys can see there, and they give you usually a couple different tips. It says get beachy, get volume, skin oasis, glossy groove, kick canopy. You can always take a look at that. But the cool thing about it is you guys can see exactly what I got in my package. And if you got the same products or anything similar, definitely comment in the section below what you guys got that was the same. But like I said, these are 5 different products or deluxe size samples. Sometimes it could be full size product or mini samples, but you also get a bonus. And usually the bonus has to do with like hair or perfume. So it looks like this month has to do with perfume. So that's cool because these perfumes are usually very expensive and it's not something that would be in my budget, but I get to try them out. So when we go out, I get to smell super fancy too. And again, every month they do give you like this little baggie. We use this, usually what I use these little bags for, we use it for different things, but usually what I do is I save my empties in here so that when I have my empties ready, like a full bag, that's when I know I have enough product to share with you guys. So this month's is purple, and they usually, they're different colors. Okay, so let us get in to see what came in for March. And again, if you get Sephora Play, let me know in the comment section below because I'm super curious if you guys are getting them. And then the very first thing I have here is actually from Moschino, and this is for Toy 2. Now, I guess I must have missed a memo on Toy 1 because I never smelled that before, but this is basically what their perfume sample looks like. So yes, it's really small, but you know, we get to try something new. So let me see. This one has like more so of a fresh scent to it. Let me see if it tells us the full, no, it doesn't say the full size, the full size price for this, but I'll put that on my blog so you guys can check it out and see how much this one was. I'm sure it's very expensive, but this is more so according to the package here, or the booklet here. It says it's a fresh scent, mandarin orange. So I guess you can say it is like a citrus fresh scent. And then the note is mandarin orange, peony, and amber woods. So I guess kind of musky with a citrus scent. If you can, I don't know. I haven't tried this before, but it does smell good. It's fine. So I would definitely use that again. And then let me see. Okay, another one, which I actually love this one. And I actually used it today. So this is Glam Glow Starter. This is a mega illuminating moisturizer. So this is moisturizer. I like this because I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like so you guys can have an idea. Because I'm not gonna open it because I do have one that I'm using, so I don't want it to like get ruined. But it's like that. So basically what I do is I use this kind of like a moisturizer. So I'll put this on before my makeup and it kind of gives like a glow. So I've used this cream before. I think I got this in my Ipsy bag. I've used this before just without using any makeup, and it gives you like that summer kind of glow, but it doesn't look cakey or like it doesn't look like foundation. It's just like a natural glow that you get. So this one again, but this is much larger than the one that I have with Ipsy. So this one says, this is in Nude Glow. This says keep skin looking glowy and feeling dolphin levels of hydrated with this versatile illuminating moisturizer. And it says apply evenly all over the face to use as moisturizer. Apply just to the high points of the face over makeup to use as highlighter. So yeah, you could do this. Usually, like I said, I use this kind of like a BB cream so that it's just all over. But yeah, you can probably just use that as a highlighter. What I just use it all over my face. And then the next one we have here is, let me see. Okay, this one says it's from Laura Mercier. This is a caviar chrome eyeshadow stick in metallic taupe. So this this multitasking stick is easy to use, long wearing, and comes in a super versatile taupe hue that does triple duty. It's the chameleon for your makeup collection's been asking for. So I'm sure, as you guys know, with every highlighter, you're just gonna put this on the top. Okay, perfect. I was kind of scared. This is what it looks like there. And let me just kind of highlight it here. So it's not, you see that? It's not bad. You can just highlight it and just cream it out, but I don't have like a makeup to pay attention. So that's cool. But if you think about it, this is a good color for the summer, because during the summer we usually have like bronzers, so that's a perfect color just to go with our bronzers. Okay, so that's cool. And then let me see. All right, so the next thing we have here is from Fresh. This is Sugar Mint Rush. Well, if you see that there, so let me see. So this is Sugar Mint, this is a lip treatment. Keep lips moisturized with this cutting edge lip treatment. Press your lips together and to bring out a minty cooling sensation. So that's what that is. Let me see what this looks like. And I don't know, you guys let me know. I've never heard of this company before, but I'm assuming because this is your lips, I'm assuming this would be the full-size product of it. I mean, it's kind of small, but chapsticks are just as small, so I'm gonna assume this could be either a deluxe size or a full size of it. So, and it does have a minty scent to it, so that's what that looks like there. Good packaging though. This is definitely super fancy packaging for a lip balm there. All right, so let me see what else we have. And we have two more things, guys. Okay, so the next thing we have here is from NARS. This is a Power Mate Lip Pigment. Oh, that's it. Okay, so this is in Star Woman. So I'll show you guys what that looks like. It says you can't go wrong with this classic red matte lip color, especially one that comfortably lasts throughout everything from sunset to sunrise. I said it backwards, but you never know. Could be hanging out all night, coming in from the club. I don't do that anymore, but let me see how they open. Okay, so I like the packaging. It's pretty. It says NARS on it, and obviously you can see that's red right there. So I'm gonna do a swatch here real quick so you guys can see. And this is definitely pretty color. This is definitely like late night, evening, or out to the club. That's the kind of color that is there. So not bad at all. So I like that. And then last but not least, we have Amika. This is a volume and matte texture spray. So that's what that looks like there. So let me give you guys some more information on that. It says, get that yes, I just swam in the ocean look, but without all the sand with this salt-free texturizing spray. So I'm gonna check this out. I don't know. It's spray, it's a volumizing spray, so we'll definitely try that. I like Amika products. I remember, I think my very first Sephora play was Amika products, so I definitely will take a look. All right, so let us do a recap really quick, just to see what we got for March. And again, let me know in the comment section below if you guys got anything. Are we twins? What's the deal? All right, so we have Amika, and then we have that NARS lip treatment is what we have, and then we have Glam Glow, which I love this one because I've tried it before. Then we have from Fresh, we have our Sugar Mint lip balm there. We have from Laura Mercier, we have the highlighter there, and then we have the the Moschino Toy 2. So let me know in the comment section below if you guys got any of those things. And with that being said, definitely let me know what you guys thought. I love it. Like I said, I get to try new products. The only items I've tried before was Glam Glow. That's the only one I've tried. So I have a whole bunch of other products that I haven't gotten to try yet. So I'm definitely gonna get used to this one. So with that being said, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video. And we'll see you on the next video. Have a good day, guys.